Hey everyone, welcome to Hunters Connect. Our friends over at the Rocky Mountain Elk Foundation are big supporters of what we do here at Hunters Connect. We are very thankful for their support, and we are very pleased to share some videos with you guys that they have put together on some amazing restoration projects that they have done to help better the future of elk populations across our country. We hope you enjoy.
North Dakota does not have vast forest land. However, 17% of its forests consist of aspen and birch species, the majority of which are within the Turtle Mountains in the north-central part of the state. That's where the Rocky Mountain Elk Foundation provided funding to assist the North Dakota Forest Service and North Dakota Game and Fish Department in a multi-year effort to rejuvenate aspen stands, which offer important habitat for a wide range of wildlife from elk to ruffed grouse. Crews use a brush cutter mounted to a skid steer to remove old, decadent aspen in a state of decline. The treatment mimics a natural disturbance like fire that regenerates stands by triggering vigorous regrowth of aspen suckers or root sprouts. Combining that with the removal or shredding of brush, fallen trees, and branches will result in a mosaic pattern of different sizes of aspen, ideal for elk and other wildlife. The 30-acre treatment over 5 different sites positively affects 2 wildlife management areas and additional acreage in the Turtle Mountain State Forest. Restoring elk country is core to RMEF's mission. Since 1984, the Rocky Mountain Elk Foundation and its partners completed nearly 13,000 conservation and hunting heritage projects that protected or enhanced more than 8.1 million acres of wildlife habitat.